Okay guys, today I'm going to be giving you a brief video tutorial on how exactly to download the software VMware Workstation Pro. VMware Workstation Pro has been made free for personal use as far as I know by the software vendor that makes it. This is because they are stopping development, again as far as my knowledge goes, on the VMware Horizon player that they previously had for like personal use of development of it. If you're not familiar with what like VMware or the VMware Horizon Client is or Workstation Pro, that's a software for creating virtual machines and doing stuff with similar virtual machines. And if you want to know what a virtual machine is, you can just Google it. But it's basically like a program that acts as though it were a computer. But I'm assuming that if you're watching this video, you at least have some knowledge as to what a virtual machine is. If you don't, I would suggest looking that up before you download and start playing with the software. But how you are going to get the VMware Workstation Pro software for free, how you're going to download it is as follows. You're going to want to go to the Broadcom portal and just go to like broadcom.com, which is the address right up here. They are the company that bought out the vendor that originally made the software, I believe. What you're going to want to do is you want to click up here where it says Software Portal. And if this is your first time using the site, you're going to need to register for the portal. What it's going to ask you for is an email address and then to enter the characters you see. And after that, it's going to verify your email address by sending you um, an like a 6-digit code to your email address, and then just type in that code, and that verifies your email address, and then go ahead and create a password. Because I've already done that, I have a login, so I'm going to go ahead and hit login. But because I don't want to reveal any of my credentials beyond what I have to, I'm going to go ahead and pause the video while I do this part. But I already have a credential set up, so I'm just going to pause the video for a quick second. Now that I've gone ahead and I've logged into the Broadcom support portal, I'm going to show you where to go. What you're going to want to do is come down here. You're going to click where it says VMware Cloud Foundation. Click right there. Click where it says My Downloads. And then you're going to want to search for the words, you can just search for the word Workstation, for example. And then it's going to show you VMware Workstation Player or VMware Workstation Pro. You can download Workstation Player. That's the one for personal use that they use to develop, but they're stopping development on that. You can just click here where it says VMware Workstation Pro because it has more functionality and features than the regular player, and again, it's free for personal use. But what you're going to want to do is once you click on that, come up here, click where it says VMware Workstation Pro 17 for Windows. I always click on the latest version to get the latest version. And then it's going to go through this. It's going to say no data found. Okay, now that we're here at the screen, because I've done it before, you may be prompted up here to like click on and agree to their terms. And if this is your first time using this particular portal, you may be prompted to register with like your address and telephone number and things like that. This is a step that they take to guard against software piracy. But as you will see, I have a download button available here. If you click on it, it's going to start downloading the particular software, which, depending on the speed of your internet connection, is not that large of a file. It shouldn't take any more than a couple of seconds. At least it doesn't on the one I have, because the internet connection I have is fairly quick. But depending upon the speed of your internet connection, it may take a while. So again, guys, I just wanted to give you a real brief tutorial on, okay, this is how I go about getting this particular piece of software. I will leave a link to the directions that I followed to do this in the video notes, and I just thought this would be helpful. Thank you and have a great day. Bye-bye.